What truck show are we at today? Well, let's find out. Welcome to the channel. Well, what truck show are we at here today? Well, we are out here in Hughesville, PA for the Mountain Creek Trucktoberfest, and this is their Mountain Creek Truck Fest here that they put here in the end of October, the last weekend of October. So if you guys are looking for this event or anything like that, check out Mountain Creek Truck Fest on Facebook, and I will share their link in the description below. But we have the second gen Ram show truck out with us, and we did manage to bring the Jeep out with us. This is going to be our last show for our 2025 season. So if you are new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos, because we do have some videos from some of the past shows that I have not yet been able to put on the channel yet, which we're going to be getting into some of our hunting videos, and then I'm going to be showing you some of the extra videos from some of the other events that we've done. But if you go to skyjacker.com and use discount code wicked_Fabz10 at checkout, you guys will see an additional savings on their website. So if you're in the market of looking for a lift kit or a leveling kit, use that discount code and you guys will save even more. So definitely worth checking that out. I'm happy that the channel is able to bring all that out to you guys. But we're out here, there's some racing action going on. This is my first time at the show, so it's going to be quite interesting. But there's a show and shine, there's some truck racing, there's mud bogs, they have monster trucks here. So it's a 2-day event, but we're out here for the first day, and I'm about to take you guys for a walk around and check out the different things that's going on here, and I'll see all you at the end.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
He's good. He's up and out. He's getting ready to jump out, guys. Come on, make some noise. There are going to be 3 rules people to jump out of the machine. He's going to want to run again. He said, I'm not done. Come on, guys. Yeah. Yeah, come on, guys. Make some noise for little Alan, guys. Come on, guys. Make some noise for these guys. Put on a show for you. Come on.
Now that was quite interesting. Well, while they're grooming the pits for the mud, getting ready for the mud bogs, let's get back to some show and shine.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done.
A little bit of fire.
Well, that's just some of the footage that you'll see out here at the Mountain Creek Truck Fest that they call Oktoberfest, because it is at the end of October. They have all kinds of events going on, trunk and treat for the kids, mud bogs, figure eight racing, as you've seen. And if you're wondering why I'm all dirty, well, I was up there watching some of the mud bog racing, and I did show some of those clips in this video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like, follow button, because I am going to drop a video later on some of the mud bog racing here. Well, once again, I hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks. how I roll it. Look at Fabz.